Good morning, children. So today we are going to start our maths and the name of this chapter is geometrical shape. So children, today we are going to start chapter 6 and the name of this chapter is geometrical shape. Let us recall. Children, you know about the plane shapes? Yes, I am talking about this triangle, rectangle, square and circle. These shapes are known as plane shapes. As you have learned in UKG, you know how to draw triangle, rectangle, square and circle. Now I will briefly describe about these shapes. But before that, we will complete our exercise 1. Write T for triangle, R for rectangle, S for square and C for circle inside the following figure. Children, you can see a box over here and you can see there are different kinds of shapes. Is or not? You see, here is a shape of circle. Here is the shape of square. Here is the shape of triangle. So, in the shape of circle, you have to write C. Then here you have to write S. Then here you have to write T. Like that you have to complete all. Then exercise B. Color the triangle red, rectangle green, square blue and circle yellow. So, here it is mentioned that which shape you have to color, which color. Like in this is rectangle. So rectangle you have to color green. So here children you will do green color. Then again this is circle. So circle you have to color yellow. You have to color it here yellow. Then again rectangle you have to color green. Like that you have to complete this exercise also. Now children, I will explain briefly about these plane shapes. Plane shapes can be drawn on a paper using pencil. You can see children, I have drawn plane shapes. First I have drawn square, then I have drawn triangle, then I have drawn rectangle, then at last I have drawn circle like this. These are known as plane shapes and these we can draw in a paper. Let's start with square. A square has 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. See children, you can see a picture of a square, of a plane shape named square. See, the square is having 4 sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. And children, these 4 sides are equal. Like suppose I have drawn line here of 2 centimeter. Then again here also I will draw 2 centimeter. Here I will draw 2 centimeter and here I will draw 2 centimeter. That means this is known as square. Then now you can see rectangle. See children, this I have drawn. Here it is given rectangle and rectangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertex. We can see it's 3 vertex and these are known as sides. A rectangle has 3 sides. You can see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then rectangle has 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3 and corners or corners. This vertex is known as corners also. So in square what we do, square is having all opposite sides are equal. Like this opposite sides are equal and this opposite sides are equal. And in triangle we are having 3 sides. After that we are coming to rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. In opposite sides are equal. See children, here is a picture of rectangle and in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Like here if we have drawn 4 centimeter, then here also we have to draw 4 centimeter. If here I have drawn 2 centimeter, then here also I will draw 2 centimeter. That means these 2 opposite sides are equal. These opposite sides are equal and these opposite sides are equal. So its opposite sides are equal. Then coming to circles. Children, you have seen a picture of a circle. A circle is round with no sides. See, a circle is fully round but it does not have any sides. Circle has no vertex. Circle had no edge also, no corner also. Okay, it is a closed loop. It is a closed loop. Circle is all over closed. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin or carom counter, etc. This circle we can make it with 1 rupees coin or with carom. Observe the following shapes. These are 2 triangles. These are of same size. You can see these are 2 triangles and these triangles are of same size. Then these are 2 rectangles. These are of different sizes. So children, see here. Here we are having 2 shapes of rectangle and these both are rectangle but they are different, but what is common over there? Here it is common that both side, that this side rectangle, this rectangle, both sides are equal, and here both sides are equal, and in this rectangle also opposite sides are equal. Here these two opposite sides are equal, and here these two opposite sides are. Coming to exercise 2, color the one of that the same shape and the size. Here what you have to do, children, you have to color. So here you can see, children, first one is circle, then triangle, then circle, then rectangle, then small circle, then square, then rectangle. So here both circles are same, so you have to color it. Then next one is triangle, then here one triangle is there, then here rectangle is there, then circle, then triangle, then here small triangle, then again square. Now you see this triangle and this triangle is equal. Now you can see square. You can see here one square. These squares are equal. This is rectangle and this is rectangle and this is a square. So these 1, 2, 3, these are same. So you have to draw. You have to color, sorry. Then again you can see here rectangle. This rectangle is similar as this rectangle. So you will color these two rectangles. Same way you have to see which shape is of in which line both shapes are same. You have to draw. You have to color that shapes. Now we will learn about solid shapes. So children, what are the solid shapes? Solid shapes are shapes in our surrounding and they cannot be drawn on paper. So solid shapes are that shapes, children, that we can see in our surroundings. Like, see children, here is a pic of a solid shape. This is cuboid. This is example of cube I have drawn. Then sphere I have drawn. Then cylinder I have drawn. Then at last cone. Now you can see cuboid. See, this is the shape of cuboid, and with shape of cuboid you can take an example of eraser. Eraser is looking like cuboid only. You can take an example of brick. Brick is also a one kind of cuboid. You can take an example of book, and at last you can take an example of drawer. Understood, children? So cuboid. Cuboid examples are eraser, brick, book and drawer. Then second one, cube. You see, this is cube. This is looking like a ice cube or not, children? Yes, it's looking like a ice cube. Now you see the example of cube is dice, the Ludo which we are playing. We are having that dice. It is looking like cube only. See, this is ice cube. Ice cube which we are freezing in our freezer. It is looking like ice cube. Then this is chalk box. These are the example of cubes. Then sphere. You see the example of sphere is watermelon, ball and tomato, football. Then cylinder. You see cylinder. What you can see here, both sides you can see same. Like the cylinder example is pencil, glass. Then this you can see. This is used to make chapati. And this you can see bottle. These are the examples of cylinder. Then at last you can see cone. So the example of cone is this, from which we can put fuel. Then tent. Then birthday cap and carrot. These are the examples of cone. So children, what is solid shape? Solid shapes are shapes that is present in our surroundings and they cannot be drawn on the paper. Okay, cuboid. Cuboid example is eraser, brick, book and drawer. Cube, dice, ice cream cube, chalk box, sphere, melon, watermelon, ball, tomato and football, cylinder, pencil, glass, bottle. Then cone, the thing which we put fuel with this, tent and joker, birthday cap and carrot. You can see match the following, children. Here you can see ice cream, cone, bell, okay. Then tube light, cylinder, log, then dice, cube, ice cube, then drawer. Here you can see cuboid, brick, then orange, sphere, then again football. This you can do it in your book. B. Fill in the blanks. A matchbox looks like a cuboid. A tomato looks like a sphere. An ice cream cone looks like a cone. A handle of your bat looks like a cylinder. A carrot looks like a cone. An eraser looks like a cuboid. A book looks like a cuboid. Now rolling and sliding. The objects with the curved surface can roll. You can see the objects with the curved surface. These are the objects with curved surface. If we will keep on the table, it can roll. The object with flat surface can slide. These objects we can slide, but we can't roll. Okay, so these are the rolling objects and these are the sliding objects. Exercise 4. Cross the object that can roll. So, can this bottle roll? This bottle can not roll. Watermelon can roll. This chalk box we can't roll. Brick we can't. Eraser we can't roll. Glass we can roll. And book we can't roll. Now, tick the objects that can slide. So, what can slide, children? This can slide. This mobile phone can slide. And this can slide. Okay, this pencil box can slide. I hope you have understood about what is geometrical shape, about plane shapes and about solid shapes. This exercise, children, you have to complete it in your book. And this I will give in WhatsApp class only. Hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you all.